So guys, maybe one of the reasons why you choose the Vulcanus, it's also the rusty look. We don't say rusty because it's COR-TEN, and COR-TEN it's patinated steel. But sometimes you can find the spot on it. It's not bad, right? It's usual. Here we go. That's the spot what I was talking about. Okay, you can see guys, it's nothing bad, it's just aesthetic, and I will show you how to remove it and make your COR-TEN steel even surface. So we're gonna use this type of sponge to brush it. We split some water on it. And it's good to use the roller. And now let the surface air dry naturally, and the COR-TEN is like new.